Hey, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to a zip file in your mobile, and this will work on both Android and the iPhone. Now, many people start recommending different applications, so you need to start downloading from the App Store whether you're on the iPhone or Android. However, I don't recommend doing that. Go over to your web browser of choice. You want this website here, EasyZip, EZYZIP.com, and you want to select this button here, select PDF file to convert. Let's select our PDF file, so we'll select this one here. You can select multiple, deselect them, then press open. Then we can select convert to zip. Then you want to select save a zip file. Once it's done, we'll download it like that. It should go directly to your files. Here it is. There it is, zipped. Then once you click it, obviously it's unzipping it. As you can see there then. We'll just delete that. So every time you click it, it unzips it on the iPhone. Maybe slightly different on the Android. However, that's how to convert a PDF file to a zip file in your mobile without downloading any third-party applications, whether you're on the iPhone or the Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.